Play. Okay, what's that? Pen. Ooh. Okay, that looks like a calligraphy. That bee looks amazing. I know this type of calligraphy. Okay. Oh, beautiful. Okay, he or she is just making that beautiful word also, and it looks beautiful too. Okay, nice. Play. Okay, what's that? Okay, wool art again. Oh, that candles looks like melting. Play. Okay, satisfying video it looks like. Okay, maybe going for unlimited thing, but you can see some 1 or 2 minutes you can see and that looks satisfied. Play. Okay, he's using that. I don't know what that is. Okay, he's cutting for cutting. What he is making with it? Okay, that look like a face of someone. A human being, of course, man. Okay, he's cutting that wood too good, man. He's creating those moustache type of things, of course. Moustache is necessary. Oh, that looks amazing. Play. Okay, what's that? That is shoe or something. Why it's moving? Oh, that's a human. Not a shoe. Ah. Play. Okay, this guy is just copying. Okay. Snowman, not snowman. If you have seen Frozen, you know him, right? Okay. Hey, okay, that's unsatisfying video. It's just going inside perfectly, going outside. It's an edit and not edited. It's an generated video, made video, 3D animated video. It's looking too satisfying video, man. You can watch it 1 or 2 minutes.